Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Black Sea, and I have another video for you guys today. I want to talk about Crypto.com, the overall crypto market, and let's just take a look at the market. I mean, we've been pumping really good. It's great to see. But guys, we are at 7,380 subscribers. Once we reach 10,000 subscribers, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. At 25,000 subscribers, we're giving away this loaded line NFT. Lots more giveaways to come. So subscribe now. All right, let's hop in. So guys, look at this crypto heat map here. I mean, we were up to 11% gain on Bitcoin a few hours ago, actually, and we were consolidating down to about a point 0.7 or 7.43% gain, which is fantastic to see. And my consolidation zone was between 21,600 and 24,000, so it's great to see a break out. And it'll be fun to take a deeper dive into the chart shortly. But overall, everything is looking good, guys. The money's coming out of the stable coins, going into the honestly the altcoins and into Bitcoin, which is pretty exciting because there was some talk about an altcoin rally. I mean, the altcoins were rallying against Bitcoin over the past few weeks, and maybe even you could say the past month. But people were saying, oh, well, eventually the money's got to get back to Bitcoin, and it will happen, guys. The money will flow into Bitcoin, and once Bitcoin sucks up some liquidity from the alts and finds its next position to trade at, that's when you'll see the money then once again flow out of Bitcoin and flow into the altcoins, and you get a higher percent gain. But it's just ebbs and flows, guys. Ebbs and flows. It starts with Bitcoin. Usually the money flows into Bitcoin, then Ethereum, then the top 100, then the small cap coins, and has a trickle down effect. But it has been interesting to see that altcoins have been outperforming Bitcoin in the past month or so, but that's because also we did get a massive gain, over 40% gain in January. So, all in all, we're looking good, guys. We're looking good. All in all, we're looking good. Let's go over at Crowcoin a little bit. So, we did break down, I did say, there is a magnet here to pull us down to the 0.0689 cent range. However, I did say I wouldn't be surprised if we kind of just did one of these, and that's what we're doing, guys. And we're heading back and retesting this formation of this ascending triangle. Would like to see us break back above it, and I think that that's very, very possible, especially the way that Bitcoin is headed here. We do have a few more days leading into the weekend, so I think that there is a great possibility to see some daily candle closes above key price points on Bitcoin, which in turn will bring Crowcoin back up. And now, honestly, right here, now we're going to start to see the stair step action. As long as Bitcoin is getting these weekly candle closes and consolidates above 24,000 now, we're going to look good, guys. We're going to look really good for Crowcoin. The next stop here is fair value once we break above this 9 cents, basically 10-cent range. Next stop is fair value at about 16 cents, which is really, really exciting. Really, really exciting, guys. For the people that have been buying throughout this bear market in this accumulation zone here, you're going to be rewarded. You're going to be rewarded, guys. I've been buying this accumulation zone. I've always been stacking my crow bags, especially over the past year in this bear market. You're going to be rewarded, guys. There's the famous saying that you get rich in bull markets, but you get wealthy in bear markets, and that's very, very true, guys. So you will be rewarded if you have been buying in this accumulation zone for honestly probably any of the cryptos that you truly have conviction in. I mean, Crowcoin, I have strong conviction, but if you really want to play it safe, I mean, Ethereum and Bitcoin, not financial advice or anything, guys, but Bitcoin and Ethereum, if you've been buying in their accumulation zone, it's going to pay off handsomely, handsomely. But let's look over at Bitcoin a little bit because, I've been talking about this, guys. The 19,500, we got a weekly candle close above that. Then I told you the next stop is getting a weekly candle close above 21,600. And guys, look at this right here. Look at this right here. We were testing that 21,600 just a couple days ago. That's the crazy thing with Bitcoin, guys. You can come back down, you test it, and then you get a big move to the upside. I mean, that's just what happens. I mean, when you look at this right here, it doesn't look like that big of a move, but we did get an 11% gain just yesterday. That's absolutely massive to see. And honestly, it just emboldens my idea that we're going to have some bullish continuation here. I mean, maybe not so much drastically like that, but I would wouldn't be surprised if we see something like this and bring us back to the 35,000 to maybe even the $45,000 price range coming into the next Bitcoin halving, guys. I mean, it sounds crazy, but it's that's what I think is probably going to happen based on past events, and you can't just copy and paste the previous chart to the next chart, to the current chart, I should say. But you do get a general depiction when you do things like that, guys. In my previous video, I copied this part right here from the bottom of the bear market in 2019 to the first leg up, basically the recovery phase off the bottom of the 2017 bull run. We had a 200% gain, guys. Kind of just a recovery of the long, uh, sideways consolidation and capitulation. And guys, we did have it took us longer to get to the top this cycle. So I do think that we are warranted for a little bit less of a sideways price range. I do believe that. And it goes to show we are getting closer and closer to the Bitcoin halving. We are getting closer and closer, guys. There are opportunities here to be ready to see some moves to the upside. There are opportunities, but don't be surprised if we do come up to, say, 30K and get a capitulation down to 19,500 and bounce right back up. It could happen. Previously, that happened because of the pandemic dump back here, but there can always be another anomaly. There can always be another black swan event. So please pay close attention, guys. And don't be alarmed. Don't be shaken out when that happens, because it will happen potentially. There's always those things that happen around the corner to try to make you panic sell, maybe even panic buy. All in all, I will say that right now, the past year really, and I think leading into this Bitcoin halving in 2024, this is going to be the accumulation zone, guys. This is the accumulation zone. Now is a good time to be buying, in my opinion. It's not financial advice, but that's just what I'm doing. I'm buying right now, guys. So let's go over the S&P 500 because we are still continuing this bullish continuation out of this formation on the S&P 500. I love to see this, guys. Even getting a little green dot on Market Cipher on the S&P 500, which indicates a buying opportunity, which is very, very interesting to see because we are breaking out of this channel. And guys, talk about bullish continuation and bullish breakouts. If we continue this on the S&P 500, I think that we'll be making our way back to previous all-time highs in the next year. I think by the end of 2023 we should be headed a little bit closer up there. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if we start breaking above, say, the 4,333 mark. That is a bullish divergence. That is massive bullish divergence, and I think that we're going to start heading to. You're going to see the market start pumping. I think that's what's probably going to happen. I mean, it's kind of already happening. So just keep a close eye on the S&P 500. I know some of you guys don't like looking at the traditional market, but it's very, very important to use all the tools you have in your toolkit. Don't just only focus in on one thing. It's good to have those laser eyes, but it's also good to be able to adjust those laser eyes to different objects and to different points of the world. Absorb as much information as you can to use it as tools in your trading toolkit. And guys, if you'd like to open up a long or short, depending on if you want to counter trade me or trade with me, go in the description box below and use our BitGet link. You get up to $8,000 sign up bonus, or a Femex link. You get $4,500 sign up bonus. All you got to do is click the link, sign up, deposit some money, and open some trades, and you get a bunch of free money. So there's lots of opportunity there, guys. But that's really all I got, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you stuck around this far, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. It helps us out so much. And also, please consider becoming a member. Go in the description box below, click the join button, or go to our homepage and click join, and please sign up. You can get up to loyalty badges as well as these custom emojis that you can use on our live streams every Tuesday and Thursday at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, as well as plus 10 additional entries each month to winning this load line NFT, guys. Super excited to give this away. Lots more giveaways to come. But that's all I got. Catch you in the next one. Bye.